Hi everyone. So after you go to readworks.org, then you are going to go to the student login. And then once you click on the student login, you need a Google account so you can log in with Google. And so I'm going to show you the reading. I log in a little differently. So here's the reading, and it's called Waste Woes. And so when you click on the reading, you'll see there is a passage. So here's the reading that you're going to read. And then the questions, you'll see here question set. So here are the questions. And they're mostly, there's a few written answers, number 8, 9, and 10. But apart from that, they are multiple choice. So again, you can read it and then answer the questions. And then your answers I will automatically see when I go to my account on ReadWorks. So let me know if you have any questions, and that's all you need to do. Thanks.